In front of me is Nubia Neo 2, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration options. Begin by launching settings and hitting sound and vibration. Then you can tap on vibrate at the top to mute your device, leaving only vibrations. Select ring and apply one of those vibrate options, vibrate when ringing or vibrate then ring. And last but not least, scroll all the way down to click on those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and touch vibration to manage those two as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!